The paper is soaked for 5 minutes in room temperature water, and then we take it over to the metal sheet and just squeegee the majority of the water off the surface, and we're then ready for the scalding. So the kettle should have boiled, and you really do need the absolutely scalding boiling water, and you simply then just pour over the surface of the print for just about 30 seconds. You may well hear the bubbles if you're lucky, and this is the air coming out the surface of the paper, which will help prevent bubbles forming in the print when you coat it with gelatine. So we simply then drain the majority of it off, squeegee it, and just get most of the water off, and we then take it over to the levelled out table for gelatining.